Hey guys, so here TikTok Lite free video. What can you actually watch without paying a coin? So do you have to pay to watch TikTok Lite videos? So currently, nope, you don't have to pay for anything when you watch free. As you see, I'm watching for free. So there you anyways, there you go. As you can see, um, normal TikTok videos can be watched without paying coins. Coins are not general requirement for watching videos. You can open TikTok Lite, scroll to the For You feed, and watch available videos numbering. So, what can you watch for free? For You videos, following feeds videos, public creator videos, short form entertainment videos, video recommended by TikTok, public videos shared through links. You don't need to purchase coins just to watch the ordinary content. So what are coins actually for? So the coins, as you can see right here, coins are actually TikTok uses coin family for things such as purchase gifts, which can be sent to creators during eligible live experience. So yeah, you can do that. And what about videos that seem locked? If you're gonna ask me, if you encounter content that you can't access, don't automatically assume it's because you haven't purchased coins. The video was maybe deleted, the creator changed the visibility, the content isn't available in your region, your account is viewing restriction, or the feature isn't available in your version of TikTok Lite. But there you go, guys. TikTok Lite is a free to use for normal video watching. You can scroll and watch regular available videos without spending a single coin. But there you go, guys. That's how you do it, guys. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one. And there you guys. Thank you, guys.